Hello, today I'm going to show you how to get knitting, and to do that we're going to start with basic knit stitch. I've got the tail of my yarn here. I've already cast on my stitches. And I'm going to go in through the front loop here of the first stitch, like that. I'm going to take my working yarn that's attached to my ball of yarn here, around, through the middle, through this loop here, and then I'm just going to pull that stitch off and tighten it up a little bit. So through the loop of the stitch, around the back of the right hand needle, down through the middle, bringing that loop through and just dropping the loop off the left hand needle. I'll do that a few more times. And that's it. You've made your first knit stitches. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please click the button to like and subscribe.